Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl igboticnono. If you're new to this channel, please kindly subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notification so you're notified anytime I post a new video. Okay, Igbo queen zono. Yes, Igbo girls are very beautiful. I'm for Igbo, I'm for Igbo, Ada Igbo. Okay, Igbo girls are very beautiful and our men are beautiful and handsome and too. Okay. Yes guys, I don't know if you watched my previous video, which like I said, I want to bring it up every word, everything, like things or words daily. They will make sentences of them, and these are going to help you to improve on your Igbo language speaking as well. So the last one we did was pot. The last one we did was teeth, and today the Igbo word for today is pot. Please repeat after me so that it will help you to learn what I'm saying. Pot, ite. Pot, ite. Pot, ite. And what do we use pot to do? These are the sentences that are going to come in follow so that you can practice and learn as well. Pot, ite. Pot, ite. Eji ite ndị a achọ ụlọ mma. 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 They are using this pot to beautify the house. Nri dị na ite agbawala. 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 Nri dị na ite agbawala means basically the food in this pot is shimmering. It's vaporizing, like when you're cooking and the smoke is coming out. It's shimmering. Nri dị na ite agbawala. Nwanyị a ji ite ya akụ ịgba. Nwoke 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 a ji ite ya akụ ịgba. This man is using his pot to play band. This man is using his pot for drumming. This man is using his pot for drumming. Eji ite ndị a esi nri. 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 They are using these pots to cook. They are using these pots. They are using these pots to cook. Eji ite ndị a esi nri. Ndị a plural. They are using these pots to cook. Ọtụtụ ite okoko dị ebe a. 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 There are many flower pots here. Ọtụtụ ite okoko dị ebe a. There are many flower pots here. Ite ndị a mara mma. Ite ndị a mara mma. Ite ndị a ruru inyi. 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 These pots are dirty. Ite ndị a dị ọcha. 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 These pots are clean. These pots are clean. Ite ndị a ra nnekwu. Ite ndị a ra nnekwu. Ite ndị a ra nnekwu. Nnekwu. Ite ndị a ra nnekwu. These pots are big. Ite ndị a pere mpe. 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 These pots are small. Ite ndị a bụ nke ndị mgbe ochie. 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 These pots are olden days. These pots are olden days. Ite ndị a bụ nke ndị mgbe ochie. These pots are olden days. Ite ndị a bụ nke ndị mgbe ochie. Ite ndị a jọrọ njọ. 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 These pots are ugly. These pots are ugly. Ego ole bụ ite ndị a? 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 How much are these pots? So guys, thank you for watching to the end of this video. Thank you for seeing to the end of this video. And if you have watched up to this point and you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing, because subscription is free. To like this video is free, and to share this video is free. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video. Do have a wonderful day. Bye. Igbo amaka. Igbo girls are the sharp. I have fun.